to my channel. I realized that I have not shown you guys how I achieve mini twist on moisturized hair. It's always on blow dried hair. I think I've posted one mini twist video in recent times, but that mini twist video and any other mini twist video you have seen on this channel is most typically done on blow dried hair. The reason for this is because I prefer my hair looking voluminous. I prefer my hair looking full and thick. I will always pick full and thick every time when it comes to mini twist, but that does not mean that you can't achieve mini twist on moisturized hair. That's hair that has been dampened with water and with curlers and other moisturizing products. Personally, it's not a preference for me because then my hair just looks shrunken and smaller and I don't really like it. But today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve mini twist on moisturized hair, and I'm going to start by washing my hair. Thankfully today is wash day, so the best time to do a protective style or a new protective style is right after you wash your hair. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to go ahead and wash this. Our hair is washed and there was a little mishap. I didn't realize I was out of conditioner, so I didn't get to detangle my hair while I washed. I'm going to have to just go ahead and apply product and twist. But before I do that, I'm going to moisturize my hair in 4 sections to make it easier for me, so that I can also comb it out with product in it. I'll be applying some of the L'Oreal Curl Expression Professional Creaming Jelly. This is the Definition Activator Leave-In with heat protection for all types of curls and coils. This product. Yep. So I'm just going to get a few pumps of that. 7 pumps. Moisturizing my hair, and to cut a long story short, I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting. getting into it, and I just want to point out the advantage of moisturizing your hair first before you start twisting is that if I didn't moisturize first, I would have had to be cutting it into sections and then moisturizing before I start twisting. And by the time I get to the front, my hair will be completely dry, so I have to use water, which is an extra step. I'm trying to avoid all of that, so for me this just saves more time. To twist both sides of my head simultaneously to reduce how much one section shrinks if I want to focus on twisting another. So for this front, I'm going to see if I can do the same thing I did with the back, which is twisting both sides at the same time. But if that's too much for me, I will just leave it.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.